Now, there was a problem on the exam a few years ago that kind of asked something like, well, what would happen to your strength if the toe of your retaining wall broke off? You know, what would happen? What would it affect? I don't know how it was worded, but you know, what is the effect? Well, what is it going to affect? You're overturning and you're sliding? Well, what it affects is what? You're overturning. Because your overturning moment here is still the same. Whereas what? Your resistance has gone down because now what? Your pivot point is here and you've dropped or cut off what? 1.5 feet on all your moment arms. And you get this big reduction in your resisting moment. Okay, so what it does is it affects overturning. It affects sliding, but it's insignificant because the only thing you lose in sliding is this weight, which is pretty small compared to, you know, the principal weight is the weight in the soil. So, you know, you break the toe on your retaining wall, you affect your overturning. It's kind of like, you know, if your toes were cut off, what would happen is you could slide along, but you couldn't walk because walking requires pivoting, and you'd overturn basically and fall over. Okay, but you could still slide, and so sliding's not affected. Okay, so that is a cantilevered retaining wall.